Good morning. A little commentary on the 1930s bungalow bathroom renovation. Already started. We'll have a little look at where we are to date, and then obviously as a follow-up we'll hopefully show it finished in a few weeks' time. The first job was the ceiling. Someone had patched in the ceiling when they must have had a problem putting an extractor fan in, but with it being quite a thick ceiling, Latin plaster, somebody's nailed a piece of board in, but they've kind of levelled it against the old ceiling, but then they've nailed it hard against the roof beams, so it ended up sort of 20mm plus up in that corner. So I put some undercoat plaster on, build down the thickness, and then I've skimmed that. This rear wall was, obviously the tiles had to come off because I didn't have room behind the mixer unit to get obviously 2 rows of tiles. Yes, you've guessed it, I'm tiling over tiles. Don't shoot me. So that wall has had base plaster and a final skim. I'm just preparing the ceiling now, lots of sanding, lots of filling. So we're keeping the mixer unit because it's a quite good one. It's quite expensive actually, it's a Myra. So the tiles are on, well, one tile is on, so we're having like, it's sort of ribbed sort of tile in the shower enclosure and down that side wall there. Then the rest of it's going to be like the same similar colour but just plain. We're using stretcher course pattern for the tiling with a 30% overlap. So I did what I consider the difficult plumbing. So remove the mixer unit, put one tile on, put the mixer unit back. That's just temporary mounted for the moment. So that's my starting point. We've got this old shower enclosure to take out. Yeah. And I bought a nice offset quadrant, 1200 by 800, which will give us a bit more room here because obviously it's a very, very small bathroom. It's 2.6 by 1.75, I think it is, but pretty tiny. But it's okay. So ceiling's nearly done. I'm preparing the door frame. First tiles on there. I've primed the old tiles with some special product for priming. It's like a gritty sort of epoxy sort of paint. We'll see how that goes, I'll let you know. These toilet and sink are coming out and we're putting I forget the name, a roper like fitted unit, vanity unit with a sink, integral toilet. What else are we doing? That's it really, that's to go. Also tackled the plumbing for the new radiator, okay, which is going to go there. And the radiator is rather nice actually. It was hugely expensive, but I'll just show you it. If you can see through the cling film. So it's like 2 vertical hollow sections, which is the feed, and then we've got these rather nice chrome bars. So it's a bit like a flag, so it's only mounted from one side. So that looks superb, but yeah, bit of a luxury, that item. Got a non-slip quadrant tray, and this is the shower enclosure, which is a single door offset quadrant. So today's job, I've been preparing the ceiling. I'll have to wait for that to dry out a bit more, but we're getting that prepped and filled. It wasn't too bad, there's a couple of tiny cracks, but I've filled those. The floor is a different story. So obviously over the years of butchering by various trades, the floor isn't in a good state. We have this timber here, which is obviously not the right thickness. It was packed up with plywood. I'm just on, at the moment, ripping all this out, okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put new 900 length, so it'll go from that that floor joist to about here in one piece, and that's all. I've had that made to the right thickness and width, etc. So all the gnarly floorboards are coming out, and as you can see, definitely a bit of a butcher job. And it's not hard. All you do is find out where the nail line is where the centre of the joist is. Not difficult. So today's job is, as you can see, it's pretty nasty. I'll put as much new flooring as I can and create larger, sort of 900 long trapdoors, because obviously need to get under there to get to the plumbing for the waste, which is actually going down in that corner. So I had previously insulated the pipes under the floor, so that's all done. One good thing is the waste, the foul, is actually down there, which is sort of in line with the toilet. So the toilet moves through 90 degrees onto that wall. So yeah, it should be okay. So let's have a sit down. Oh, bring roll the lens. So yeah, bit of a task. There will be, the target is do all the floor prep, get everything ready for next weekend, and the next weekend I'm going to take out the enclosure, shower tray out, fit the shower tray, get the waste in, tile the enclosure for the shower and stagger it out to here somewhere, and then put the shower back together, finish the shower completely, then at least we can, there's somewhere to have a shower. We don't have the luxury of 2 bathrooms anymore, so that's the way it is. And then once the shower's in, we've yet to order the toilet sink and the roper bathroom unit thing. Once we get that ordered up, I'll probably take a week off work and just tackle that in 1 week. So it should be a 2 or 3 day job. But yeah, quite exciting. Probably the worst job to do in a house because there's a lot of sort of uproar, but yeah, I think it'll look nice when it's finished. So got the, obviously, door to go back on. I did fit these quite nice, these oak doors right around the house, which were quite nice. So bathroom this year, have a little bit of a summer off, just do bits and bobs. And next year we're going to tackle the kitchen, which is going to be a bit of a big job. So yeah, that's it. So thanks for coming along today. If you like my videos, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, etc. And if there's any interesting updates, I will be back on my channel. Bye for now. Bye.